Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure call tracking with CallRail for real estate investing, full guide step by step clearly. To configure call tracking with CallRail for real estate investing, begin by creating a CallRail account. Visit the CallRail website and click on the Sign Up button. Fill out the necessary information to establish your account. Once your account is created, log in to the CallRail dashboard. From the dashboard, navigate to the Numbers section on the left-hand menu. Click on the Add Number button to purchase a new tracking number. Select the type of phone number you would like, either local or toll-free. Choose the specific area code for your local number if applicable. Review your selection and proceed to checkout for the tracking number. Once your number is set up, return to the dashboard to configure call settings. In the Settings section, click on Call Source Tracking. Here, you can set up your tracking sources, like your website or landing. Create a new tracking source by clicking on Add Source. Enter a name for the source, such as website leads or ad campaign. Next, set up call forwarding by entering the phone number where you want calls to be routed. Customize the greeting message that callers will hear when they reach your tracking number. Save your settings, and your tracking source is now configured. To implement tracking on your website, go to the Tracking tab in the dashboard. Select Website and then click on Generate to create your tracking snippet. Copy the provided tracking code. Paste this code into the HTML of your website, ideally in the header section. Now, test your tracking number to ensure it routes correctly to your main phone line. Make a test call using the new tracking number and confirm you received the call. Monitor incoming calls and their sources from the CallRail dashboard. Review call analytics to understand lead performance and call outcomes. Set up call recording in the settings for quality assurance and training purposes. Optimize your tracking parameters as needed to enhance lead generation efforts. Your CallRail tracking is now fully configured for effective tracking in real estate investing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.